From a single idea to global movement, MrBeast wove philanthropy into content by pairing audacious challenges with clear generosity. He builds anticipation through transparent rules, real stakes, and visible progress that audiences can track in real time. His genius lies in scalable formats that invite participation, from friend groups to millions of viewers submitting ideas and votes. Behind every giveaway is a meticulous plan that maps costs, impact, and sustainability, turning clicks into lasting community growth. For aspiring creators, the lesson is simple: lead with integrity, amplify impact, and craft experiences that transform fans into co-creators.